most modern kegerator available on the market today is the Komos Kegerator. With a set of stunning features designed for craft beverage enthusiasts and homebrewers alike. Whether you want to serve beer, cider, seltzer, cocktails, or anything else on tap at home, this is the Kegerator for you. Let's check out what this Kegerator is all about, starting with the interior. The spacious interior can hold 4 5-gallon slimline homebrew kegs, giving you maximum space and flexibility, much more than what you'll find in other models. Plus, there's a stainless steel floor, so you don't have to worry about scuffing the interior when moving kegs in and out of the unit. Thanks to the Kegerator's highly efficient cooling capacity, you can serve ice-cold beer even in the warmest environments. The interior fan provides incredible air circulation, pulling cold air from below the evaporator and blowing it back over the top of your kegs. Plus, the interior fan diverts cold air up into the tower to keep your beer lines cold and reduce foaming. And you won't have to worry about the annoyance of ice building up at the top of the interior. Duo-Tight and EVA Barrier have revolutionized how you connect draft line, and the Komos Kegerators come standard with both. Duo-Tight push-to-connect fittings are incredibly easy to install and remove. No more hose clamps or heating water to soften tubing. The EVA Barrier tubing is double-walled, offering superior protection against oxidation, CO2 loss, and microbial growth. At the top of the Komos Kegerator sits a high-quality draft tower made from stainless steel, as opposed to a chrome-plated tower, which you'll find on most Kegerators available on the market. You can choose a single, dual, triple, or 4-tap tower with either inner-tap or nuka-tap forward-sealing stainless steel faucets. Forward-sealing faucets prevent the internals of the faucet from getting sticky and reduce the chance of off flavors transferring to your beer while you pour, making them cleaner and more hygienic to use over time. The countertop drip tray couldn't be easier to keep clean. Built-in drip trays look cool, but before long, they're covered in dried, spilled beer and a pain to clean. The included drip tray here can be easily removed and cleaned in the dishwasher for convenience. A storage rack connects to the back of the unit to hold your CO2 tank, freeing up room inside the unit for maximum storage. An industrial-grade Komos dual-gauge CO2 regulator is included with every Kegerator. It features extra thick stainless gauges and rubber bumpers for added protection. Plus, there's also 2 gas inlets on the back of the unit, which allows you to serve beverages at 2 different pressures or use 2 different types of gas if you want. Whatever you need for your home bar. The Kegerator also sits on top of 4 rolling, locking casters, which can be upgraded if desired to larger, heavy-duty casters. The Komos Kegerator is designed by homebrewers and tailored to a homebrewer's needs. The extended range digital controller can adjust internal temperatures from 26 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing homebrewers to use it for fermentation, which simply can't be done in other Kegerators. And despite the powerful cooling, the Komos Kegerator is impressively quiet, even while cooling. It won't interfere with anything going on inside your home, allowing you to store it wherever you'd like. Loaded with modern features and tailored to the needs of beer lovers and beverage enthusiasts, the Komos Kegerator makes a great gift, or could be the final piece you need to take your home bar to the next level. Get yours today at